After a long day, all I wanted was something quick, tasty, and comforting. That's how I decided to make this grilled chicken, which has become my favorite. Let's start with 4 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. I also used 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1/3 cup of olive oil, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, kosher salt and black pepper to taste, and of course, 1/2 to 2 pounds of chicken, thighs, drumsticks, breasts, or any cut you prefer. Now let's learn how to prepare this delicious recipe. First, mix all these seasonings in a bowl, creating a marinade full of flavor. Dip the chicken in this mixture and let it rest for 30 minutes to absorb all the seasoning. Then I place the chicken in a very hot skillet. I let it grill for about 7 minutes on one side and another 7 minutes on the other until it was golden and juicy. And here it is, a juicy grilled chicken, full of flavor and very easy to make. Try it today and let me know what you think. If you are between 30 and 60 years old, you know that health can't wait. The Mediterranean Health Plan offers simple and natural guidance to improve your routine and overall well-being. No radical diets, just sustainable habits inspired by the Mediterranean way of eating. Click the link in the description to see how to start a lighter and more balanced journey.